Have you ever noticed why people buy concealers? If not, then this video is for you because आज की वीडियो में हम आपको 7 concealer hacks दिखाएंगे जो आपके पूरे मेकअप गेम को चेंज कर देगा. But before that, if you are new here, I find affordable beauty products and share some amazing makeup hacks जो आपके पूरे मेकअप गेम को एकदम एलिवेट कर देता है without wasting thousands of rupees. So if that's the vibe that you are going for, do consider subscribing. It will just take 2 seconds and it will save you thousands of your rupees. Now let me show you some amazing concealer hacks. There is a bonus hack as well, so watch till the end. I have pulled back my hair so that आपको concealer का टेक्निक कैसे लगाना है, किस तरीके से लगाना है, कौन से पॉइंट्स पे लगाना है वो आपको क्लियरली समझ में आए. I have dark pigmented eyes, like under eyes जो है बहुत ज्यादा डार्क है. You need to go ahead with corrector. I'll also show you the technique how to use your corrector correctly, but before that let me tell you which concealer should you buy. First of all, you need a darker concealer which should be 2 shade darker from your skin tone ताकि कोई भी अंडर आइज डार्कनेस हो या फिर आपके माउथ के अराउंड जो पिगमेंटेशन है उसको हाइड करने में ये कंसीलर काम आएगा. You need 2 concealers, one that is 2 shade darker और जिसमें थोड़ा सा peachy undertone हो so that it cancels out any darkness or any pigmentation on your face. Another one you need is the one that matches your skin tone perfectly. But just knowing the concealer won't work. You also need to understand कि आपको ये concealer use कैसे करना है और कहाँ use करना है. If you have darkness just like mine, then you can use the one that is 2 shade darker or that has peachy undertone to it. But अगर आपका under eyes बहुत ज़्यादा dark है, then you would need a concealer which is orange in shade. बेसिकली जितने डार्क होगा आपका अंडर आइज उतना ही ज्यादा डार्कर या ऑरेंज या रेड होता जाएगा आपका करेक्टर. On this side, I'll not apply any corrector to show you guys how it looks if we do not apply any corrector. And this side, I'll apply the corrector that is 2 shades darker than my skin tone. Using the one from Inside Cosmetics and इसका जो वाला shade है which is 2 shade darker and has a peachy undertone to it, I'll just apply it under my eyes. And whatever concealer is left, just apply it on the eyes because as Indians we have pigmentation on our eyes as well, and honestly it actually works as your eyeshadow. आपको अलग से लगाने की जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ेगी. But if you want like a healthy glow and you don't want to do any makeup, then such correctors and थोड़ा सा ऐसे corrector कोई अपने ऊपर लगा लो आंखों के ऊपर, it works really fine. You can see the difference yourself. This one is looking a bit darker while this one has corrected. Now I'll use the Kakshan Lashes Concealer which is in the shade Ginger 07. In 2016 what we have seen that people used to apply concealer something like this. ऐसा नहीं करना because इससे बहुत heavy base हो जाएगा, बहुत cakey भी हो जाएगा and crack भी करने लगेगा, बहुत creasing आ जाएगी जिससे लगेगा कि आपने actually makeup लगा रखा है. And in 2026 we do not want concealer to just peek through, right? हमें है कि हमारा स्किन में जो भी स्पॉट्स है या फिर कोई पिगमेंटेशन है वो हाइड हो जाए, but our skin should look like skin. That what you need to do is just take your concealer and apply dots. बस इतना सा करना है. You don't need to apply a lot because that will again lead to creasing and make your under eyes look very heavy. I'll let the concealer sit under my eyes for 30 seconds before I tell you how you need to blend it. This side I'll use this bigger brush because it has a lot of concealer. This side I'll blend with this brush over here. Always blend the concealer अपने आंखों के नीचे, एकदम आंखों के अंदर मत ले जाना, otherwise creasing होगी. So that's another point that you should keep in mind. Whatever is left on your brush, again just blend it. It's like on the eyelids. यहाँ पे आपको ग्रे दिख रहा होगा, हेवी दिख रहा होगा मेकअप, while यहाँ पे जो कंसीलर है बहुत easily blend हो गया. अंडर आई डार्कनेस जो है वो भी कंसील हो गई है and your skin is looking like your skin. I'll show the same around my mouth as well. I forgot कि इस साइड नहीं लगाना था, but let me apply this liner just to show you a difference. You will now understand the difference. This is the one do's and this is the don'ts. Concealer हो गया तो you might be wondering कि अब तो हमें फाउंडेशन लगाना है, but नहीं, हम फाउंडेशन नहीं लगाएंगे. हम लोग इस कंसीलर से स्पॉट कंसीलिंग करेंगे. I'll just do spot concealing wherever I have marks. For example, थोड़ा सा forehead पे around my eyebrows just to define that because a defined eyebrow makes or breaks your complete look. Whenever you are blending your concealer, do not drag it like this because उससे blending नहीं होगी और जो भी concealer है वो अपने जगह से हट जाएगा and you will not get the coverage that you are looking for. Always tap it in. What I'll do is I'll use a concealer from Kakshan Lashes over here and I'll show you how you can lift your face using just concealer. You just need to know the points जहाँ पे आपको कंसीलर अप्लाई करना है. सो ध्यान से देखना नोज के पास एंड इसको ऊपर की तरफ ड्रैग करना ओवर हियर, यहाँ पे करना है. I'll also apply. You see how I have applied. You can take a screenshot if you want. This will do is this will give a lift to your face also give you coverage, and secondly it will give the contour effect, मतलब थोड़ा बहुत contouring आपका इसी concealer से हो जाएगा. Always blend in upwards. Just look at this side looks snatched and lifted while this side looks rounded, because I have not done anything at all over here. Now, this is one of the most important technique which a lot of people tend to miss. What I have seen people doing is taking their powders and just इसको ऐसे ऐसे apply कर लेते हैं. तो नहीं करना, because this one will not make you look flawless, neither it will make the skin look like skin. What you need to do is take the powder on your powder puff or on a brush, anything that you want or that suits you. उसको हाथों पे ऐसे ब्रश कर लो ताकि जो भी एक्सेस पाउडर है वो निकल जाए, एंड देन जहाँ पे भी आपने कंसीलर लगाया जस्ट वहाँ पे इसको सेट कर लो ताकि कंसीलर क्रीज ना करे. And these are the only two brushes that I have used for entire makeup. For concealer, you just need one brush. You can use this one, or you can choose the Pack 272 or the Mars concealer brush. I'll link them in the description box. You guys can go and check out. Now watch this very carefully because this last technique is going to change your entire concealer game. Look at under my eyes, the concealer has creased a bit. Now creasing of concealer is very normally, lightest of concealer will crease because यहाँ हमारे under eyes में folds होते हैं, right? आपको यहाँ पे lines दिखते हैं, तो यहाँ पे concealer बैठने के chances बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. Just watch very carefully and do exactly the way I am showing you guys. Q-tip ले लेना और अपने under eyes पे ऐसे खींच के यहाँ पे concealer ऐसे बैठ गया है ना, बहुत slowly हल्के हाथों से इसको निकाल देना. जो भी एक्स्ट्रा कंसीलर होगा वो आपके क्यूटिप पे आ जाएगा. तो याद होगा हमने यहाँ कंसीलर लगाया था, तो देयर आर हाई चांसेस कि हमारे आईब्रोज में भी कंसीलर लगा होगा. जस्ट टेक एनी कॉटन क्लॉथ या फिर ऐसा टिश्यू पेपर लेके आईब्रोज को धीरे से क्लीन कर लो. जो भी एक्स्ट्रा प्रोडक्ट आपके आईब्रोज में होगा वो ऐसे निकल आएगा. एनी ब्रश, आईब्रो ब्रश, एंड अपने आईब्रोज को ऐसे सेट कर लो. You guys just look and tell me कि आपको कौन सा साइड बेटर लग रहा है. So you go, if these tips have helped you or saved you from a bad concealer day, then do consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell. हम ऐसी अच्छे और बहुत helpful videos आपके लिए लाते रहेंगे. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay happy and stay healthy. Bye.